Wait first, have you ever imagined suya inside taco? This one go shock you, but you go love am.
Chef MaryG in the kitchen.
Hi my people, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is MaryG, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Naija. Tacos are originally from Mexico, but today we're giving them a bold Nigerian twist with our flavorful suya. Here's everything we need for this bold suya taco remix: juicy beef, fiery suya spice, fresh veggies, and soft tortillas. Let's make magic. Start by slicing your beef thin so it absorbs all that rich suya flavor. Now into a bowl, add your sliced beef, season generously with suya spice, garlic, ginger, a pinch salt, and oil. Mix until fully coated. Now cover this and let it marinate so all the flavor is well absorbed.
Drizzle a little oil into the hot pan, add the marinated beef, then stir and cook until juicy like real suya.
Warm tortillas gently, place them on the pan and let them heat through. Flip once until they are soft and ready. Now assemble your taco, add the beef first, then layer your cabbage, tomatoes and onions. Keep it balanced and nicely arranged.
And there you have it. Beautiful, flavorful suya tacos, fresh, vibrant, and ready to enjoy.
One bite of these suya tacos, smoky, spicy with that fresh crunch and an ice-cold Coca-Cola to finish it, perfect. If you love Nigerian flavors like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow AI Chef MaryG. Smart recipes, bold flavors. See you in the next one.
Smart recipes.